Hello everyone, now I'm going to start question number 12 of exercise 2.2. Now in this question we have 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Now suppose your present age is 10 years. Now what will be your age after 15 years? So it will be added with 10, so your age after 15 years will be 25. So here also we'll be doing the same thing. Here it is said that what is Ravi's present age. Present age is not given, so let us consider the present age be, let Ravi's present age be x years. Now it is said that Ravi's present 15 years from now means after 15 years Ravi's age will be x plus 15 years. See here, with the present age, if you add 15, then you'll get your age after 15 years. So here also we'll be doing the same thing. His present age is x, and if you add 15 with x, then you'll be getting his age after 15 years. Now it is said that according to the question, 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Now according to the question, 15 years from now Ravi's age, see here, Ravi's age after 15 years is x plus 15. Now this will be 4 times his present age. His present age is x, and 4 times his present age means 4 multiplied by x. So the equation will be x plus 15 is equals to 4x. Now we'll transport 4x on left hand side and 15 on right hand side. 4x will be negative after coming to left hand side, and 15 will be negative as coming to right hand side. Now x minus 4x, plus minus minus, so 4, the coefficient of x is 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so it will be 3x, and since 4 is greater than 1, so the sign of 4 is negative, so here will be negative, and here is minus 15. So minus 3 is multiplied by x, so the value of x will be minus 15 divided by minus 3. Now minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So the value of x will be 5, means Ravi's present age will be 5 years. Now in the next question we have a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Now say suppose the rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2, now with this rational number, if we multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, 2 by 3 to the product means the result will be added to 2 by 3, you get minus 7 by 12, means the result is the answer will be 7 by 12. So this is the equation. Now let us consider the rational number. Let the rational number be x. Now according to the question, when it is multiplied by, when the rational number will be multiplied by 5 by 2 and added 2 by 3 to the product, this is the product, will get minus 7 by 12. Okay, so this is our equation. Now 5 into x is 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 7 by 12. Now 5x by 2 will remain same on the left hand side, and 2 by 3 will be transported to another side, so it will be negative. So it will be 7 by 12. So here was 7 by minus 7 by 12, and 2 by 3 will be transported to right hand side, so it will be minus 2 by 3. Now 5x by 2 will remain same on the left hand side. Now we'll find the LCM of 3 and 12. Now see, LCM of 3 and 12. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4. So 3 into 2 into 2 will be 12. So the LCM will be 12. Now LCM will be divided by the denominator. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 into minus 7. 1 into the numerator. So minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. Then minus sign. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Now 5x by 2 is equals to, now minus minus plus. So 8 plus 7 is 15, but the sign will be negative as both are having negative sign. So minus 15 by 12. Now we'll find the value of x. So x will be alone and 5 by 2 will be transported to another side. So 5 by 2 will be 2 by 5. This I told you before, like if there is any fraction and if we transport to another side, it will be the reciprocal. So 5 by 2 will be 2 by 5. 2 will go up and 5 will come down. Now 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 3 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So the value of x will be minus 1 by 2. So the required rational number is minus 1 by 2. Thank you, students.